In the very beginning, I'm not sure about all cancers, but from the breast cancer group that I belong to, we've all shared the common result of hair loss right away. Very quickly, you go from what you looked like and what you always knew to something completely different. And now this becomes your self-consciousness, everything about you, you become aware that you look older than you used to. Now you look sick.
When there is cancer intervention, oftentimes it includes surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. Those are treatments to save life, but oftentimes the treatment to save life has symptoms that come with it. One of the symptoms is the loss of hair. And in the case of a patient diagnosed with breast cancer, most are women, and when that occurs, women sometimes encounter what we refer to as body image changes. We are defined by our hair and our breasts. It's not a matter of being having an ego or being narcissistic. It's a matter of change with ourselves. We do not seem the same, we do not appear the same, and oftentimes, sometimes it creates a sense of loss, further loss and depression.
A way to face that fear, for me, we chose to photo journal this, and so we did a lot of pictures, and on the day that my hair became so straggly, we finally made a decision. It was time. As a group, my husband and children, we together shaved it and made a mohawk and made a fun day out of this tragedy of losing my hair. And we have all these beautiful photos to now look back on and see this was a big part of my life. And then I felt healthier and happier, and I never thought I would feel that way, because shaving your hair, that's nothing anybody wants to do. But I looked sick, and with the straggly hair, I think it gave me this appearance I was always sick and not well. And I wasn't happy about looking at myself like that. I aged before I was ready. So shaving it off made me feel beautiful and happy, and I could smile again. So I think that would be something that make fun of a bad experience. Try to turn it around and make it happy, so that you can, look at yourself in the mirror with dignity and smile again.
So at the Comprehensive Cancer Center, we have a wig boutique. And in that wig boutique, we have various wigs. We have accessories that go with the wigs. Patients can make an appointment to meet with one of our volunteers. They are able to take as many wigs as they feel like they need. And all of this is free of charge to the patient. It's been very, very helpful in helping patients regain a sense of self.
And wear hats if you need to. On my bad days, that is something I would say. Don't be ashamed on those bad days when you cry and have a hard day. Just put on a hat with a wig or another hair and be happy. And nobody knows you're wearing a wig. It's okay. You'll be fine.